Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear audience, in this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of plastic bottle pots for decorating home or crafting in plastic bottle for sale. So different plastic ideas I also prescribe in my video. So, dear audience, when we talk about a plastic bottle, then different questions arise in our mind, like what is a plastic bottle used for, or what is the use of plastic, some plastic bottle made containers, or what is the historical uh, background of plastic bottle container, or what is a plastic water bottles, and what is a plastic bottle made of, or what are beneficial of plastic water bottle. So, dear audience, when we talk about what are the benefit of plastic bottle water, some these advantages like as energy saving, that is pet packaging use significantly less energy and natural resources during the manufacturing process compared to glass packaging product. So it can be a recyclable, or like we can use it in a different point of view, like as PET plastic bottles are 100% recyclable. So as a chemical resistance also, and because plastic bottle have a much flexibility for making these things, or for making a pot making purpose, or different other purpose, like is we can use it in our home decoration. We can use as a pot we can use, because it can be less costly. uh, if we talk about a glass pot and other different clay pot, but it can be easily recyclable. A plastic pot, it can be a great difference uh, by the way of by the purpose of cost, if we talk about. So some advantage like is the benefit of a plastic bottle. The production criteria are durable, and it can be a low cost and water resistance also, we can say that, and lower energy and heavy chemicals, and are lightweight. So if we talk about its some are its disadvantages also. Disadvantage of using plastic are they pollute our environment, and they pose a danger to wildlife. But I say that we think abroad, uh, broad minded, waste minded, we can say that, because it can be a very widely used in different countries, like as in our United States we can use it a much recyclable, and for upcycling we also use in plastic materials, or plastic made things, or plastic bottles craft for different purpose. We can use it like as a decorating our house, and decorating our personal room. We can use as a pot, plastic flowers pot, and we can use it in a different garden also, for making a different things, different locations and different colors, and we use it. We also use it in as a pot, a teeny plant pot. Also, we use it. We grow vegetables in these plastic bottles, and easy way it can be. When we talk about its uh, water, when we put water, it so small point, so small water we can use it, because there are no wastage of water in these pots or in these bottles, because less water we can use, and we grow different vegetables, different fruit, different color flowers, and different crops we can also use it. Different countries use in a different manners and a different point of view. Different country use it uh, for vegetative purpose or different other growing a teeny plant purpose we can use it. Our dear audience, I think that these ideas are much inspired on that point of view for growing vegetables, growing plants, teeny plants, and growing best flowers for decoration purpose or for giving a gift. We can use it in different ways and different purpose in any marriage ceremony also, because different countries use it in a for giving a gift gifting purpose. Different countries use it. So when my dear guys question me that are plastic bottle goods are bad for you. So toxins and microplastic accumulate in your body over time. So repeated use of plastic bottles can cause significant damage. It would be a much better for you and the environment to recycle and existing plastic bottles you own and swap them for reusable in different materials and different metals. So some are advantages, but anything whichever advantages, some are its disadvantages in that point of view. For when we made my video, these video uh, for best purpose, but these things which we can use it, it can be some undefined disadvantages of these things. So, if we talk about the disadvantages, then plastic take tons of years to decompose because it cannot be a dissolve in dissolving material. So it is a best way to reuse it. I also prescribe in my video, and I give you my dear guys ideas. You can use it in a uh, on other hand for beneficial purpose or benefit. uh, so as if we talk about uh, producing plastic is cheap, however it is done using a variety of toxic chemicals and colors, uh, and these toxic chemicals are injuriable for human life or human activities or human creativities. It can be different losses and different disadvantages. So the recycling process of for plastic can be very expensive because a very well heat are also uh, and different molded experienceable persons are necessary for that making these things are these. But in other hand, when we talk about its beneficial purpose, it can be a uh, much low. But in metal handed, if we differentiate the metal projected and plastic made projected, it can be a low expensive instead of metal made things or metal projected or different clay pots. But in my video especially I prescribe it can be a one sided is a clay pot and one sided is a plastic pot. But in these categories, I think that a plastic are low expensive instead of clay pot, because clay pot are also today it is a much expensive clay, because are low persons. Some persons are expert in clay pot making. Low numbers of people are low, but in plastic, some unexperienced person also make these things and make these devices. So the recycling process for plastic can be very expensive, but in other hand, I also prescribe that it is a low expensive. So heavy use of plastic increase the pollution in the environment. Yes, yes, yes. It is a disadvantages because if when we talk about a clay, first of all we uh, soil we take a soil and make it in a clay, but uh, if we think about some idea guys uh, prescribe me that uh, environment pollution in the environment also because the clay are very potted or make, but when we uh, peeled or uh, I think that it can be a also a smoke also arise in for making a pavement pavement clay when we make, then the smoke also arise in that manner, and heated also necessary in for pavement clay when we talk about. But in for uh, when we talk it is a liquid condition when we make plastic, then also spoke as are essential, heat are essential and smoke will be arise in that side. But heavy use of plastic increase the pollution in the environment because plastic are much heated necessary, but in clay are low heated necessity. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea inspire you much, and you achieve it a long term. And I think uh, you like my video with your affectionate love if you think best. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. Once again, thank you.